Good morning, students. We will go to exercise 14, linear inequation, and we will start with the first question, bit D. See, the question is given here: 2x plus 9 is greater than or equal to 3x minus 5, and x belongs to, we have a solution set 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So as we know from this part that we can subtract 3x from both the side, then what happened, from this RHS part this 3x will cancel. So let's see, here 3x is separated from both the side, 2x minus 3x plus 9, and here on the right hand side it is 3x minus 3x minus 5. So what we have here, this 3x cancelled, we have, and this 2x minus 3x, as you know, this will be minus x plus 9, and on the right hand side it is only minus 5. Okay, again we subtract 9 from both the side, as because this 9 gives the trouble, so we'll subtract 9 from both the side. So what happened, see here, minus x plus 9 and this minus 9 is introduced here. Here also minus 9 is introduced. Then we have here on the right hand side only minus x is greater than or equal to minus 14. This minus 5 minus 9 is 14, correct? Now what we can do here, see, in the right hand side, left hand side as well as right hand side, we have a minus sign, so we'll first multiply with minus 1. Okay, and as we know, whenever we multiply or divide with a minus number, with a negative number, then we will reverse the sign. Okay, so that's why the condition that we are using here, multiply both the side with minus 1 and reverse the sign. So see, when we multiply this minus x with minus 1, this will become plus x, and we will reverse the sign. So see here, this x is lesser than equal to now, and it is lesser than equal to 14. Okay, because this 14 is also multiplied with minus 1, and as we know x belongs to this solution set, this is the replacement set, so we will consider all the numbers less than or equal to 15. So 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14 up to 14. Okay, so this is the answer, the solution set. Now go to the next question. This one is question number 2, bit D. The rest of the bit of question number 1 you can solve by your own. This is for the question 2, bit D. See, here we have 5x minus 1 whole divided by 3 is greater than or equal to 3, and we have a replacement set 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so here, as you know, here this 3 is divided with this 5x minus 1 whole, so we'll multiply both the side by 3. So here this 5x minus 1 whole divided by 3 into 3, and on the right hand side 3 into 3. So this 3, as it is divided here, so this 3 and this 3 cancelled, and here we have only 5x minus 1, and on the right hand side 3 into 3 it is 9. Now as you know, here minus 1 gives the trouble, so we will add 1 on both the sides. So what we have now, see, 5x minus 1 plus 1, and here 9 plus 1, this one is added from on both the side. Okay, so this 1 cancelled, here only 5x left, and this is 10, and now we divide 5 on both the sides. So this is 5x divided by 5, and this is 10 divided by 5. So we have x greater than or equal to 2, and as we know, we have the replacement set, this one. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll consider all the values greater than or equal to x, sorry, less than or equal to 2, correct? So we will consider here this 0, this 1, sorry, it is given that x is greater than 2 na, so we will consider all the values from 2 and the greater values like 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the solution set. I hope all you are understanding. See the next question, question number 3, bit C. This is the question we have, and we have to get the solution set, and then after we have to represent it graphically. So here the question is 8x plus 1 is less than or equal to 4x plus 5, and x belongs to whole number w, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Okay, so we will subtract first 4x from both the sides, so this will be 8x minus 4x, and there 4x minus 4x, this 4x cancelled, and here we have 8x minus 4x is 4x plus 1, and this is only on the right hand side only 5 is left, correct? Now we'll subtract 1 from both the side, as because this one, and now 4x plus 1 minus 1, and on the right hand side also 5 minus 1 is subtracted. So we have 4x is less than or equal to 4, and now we can divide 4 on both the side. Yeah, 4 is divided. So here we have 4x by 4 and here we have 4 by 4. So this is x and this is 1. Okay, so x is less than equal to 1. Correct. X is less than equal to 1 and x belongs to whole number. So we will consider all the numbers 1 or below 1, that is a less than 1. So if it is whole number, then we have the solution set 0 1, that means we can't take 2, we have only 0 1. So this is the solution set, and if you want to represent this in the number line, you can represent like that. See, 1 is a dot mark here in 0 and 1. Correct. You know how to mark the solution set in a number line. So now I am going to the next question. This is a question for, yeah, this is a different kind of question. This is from the practice time. You can see for the linear equation minus 4 is less than equal to x and x is less than 2. So we have two conditions here. So we will consider the first one, that x is greater than equal to minus 4. Yeah, from this side you can see. Here we can say this minus 4 is less than equal to x. Okay, or we can say this x is greater than equal to minus 4. See, we are just taking the right hand side on the left hand side. We are interchanging the left hand and right hand side. So here we have x is greater than equal to minus 4. Correct. So we can take all the values after minus 4 or minus 4. So minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, all the values we can take. Okay, and now the second condition is that x is less than 2. So this x is if less than 2, we can take all the values below 2. Okay, so we will take 0 1 and all the numbers before it. Correct. That means all the negative numbers. So as the first condition, for x belongs to z, that means x is an integer, then what happened? See, we can take all the values, all the negative values we can take, because integer means negative as well as positive as well as 0. So here the solution set will be started from this minus 4 and it will end here 0 then 1. Correct. So that means we can take minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0 and then 1. Okay, but not 2. We cannot take 2 as because x is less than 2. So this is the solution set when x is an integer. Minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0 1. Correct. Suppose if we consider that x belongs to whole number, then we will take all the numbers which are whole here, which are whole number. Correct. So in the set of whole number we have only 0 and 1. We can't take the negative. So this is the solution set for the whole number. Correct. Now see the next question, that is question number 4 of the exercise. This is a word problem given here. Ria needs at least 5 packets of pencil having 15 pencils each. If one pencil cost rupees 8 and Ria has only rupees 600, how many packets of pencils can she buy? So here the solution is, we will consider first, let the number of packets Ria can buy be x. Okay, as the number is x, so the number of pencils in x number of packet will be 15 into, as because one packet consists 15 pencil. Okay, so the number of pencil is 15 into x, that is 15x. Correct. So cost of 15 packets of pencil, as because the number of pencil is 15x and one pencil cost 8 rupees, so 8 into 15, that is the number of pencil, so it will be 120x. But as per the question, we know that Ria has only rupees 600. Okay, so this 600, that means whatever the number of pencil, whatever the packets of pencils she can buy, must be equal to or less than 600. So that's we have given here. Yeah, this 120x is the assumed cost, that means when the number of packet is x. Okay, so 120x is the cost. Okay, and this will be less than or equal to 600, because Ria has only 600 rupees, so we can't take more than 600, so it is less than or equal to 600. Now we have this linear inequation, 120x is less than equal to 600, so we can divide 120. Yeah, we divide both the side by 120, so we have x. See, 120x divided by x, I'm sorry, 120x divided by 120, and here 600 divided by 120, so we have x is less than equal to 5. Okay, so the solution set, see all the numbers we can take 1 2 3 4 5. So this is the solution set, and maximum number is 5 in the given solution set. Okay, so the maximum number of packets she can buy is 5. Okay, so if she has 600 rupees, so she can buy 5 packets of pencil. Correct? So this is the answer. So thank you class.